Okay, so an update on what happened here. So let me do a top down. Like I said, this could be a 1, 2, and then a 3 in purple before 4 and 5, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are in 5. I'm going with the pink because it's less bullish and better to be more cautious. By that I mean it's better to assume we've talked than to assume we haven't, and then you keep thinking we're just going to go up and then you just keep losing money when we begin to correct. So in line with that, from before I said that we'll be doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a fifth wave extension. There's another train of thought from other Elliotwave analysts that say we are in the pink count, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, meaning we've topped already. But I have issues with that because if we go to the supposed top, we just had a 1, 2, 3. So let's imagine that we had a truncation here, and then this is actually the top. I can't really count anything, and this is the 5-minute time frame. So I'm taking it as a 335 in a flat. I'm taking it as a 335 in a flat, and then this is where 4 is. Where's the 30 minute? Yeah. And then this is where 4 is, and then we're going up for the final 5. So my initial complaint on Friday was that the move was too small. It couldn't even be seen on the 4-hourly, but as of today, that problem has been solved. The market was in a range for a while, which I have come to say is a diagonal. When I zoom in, we'll say that better. Yeah. So I had a trade at this level, 4224, around 4224 on Friday, but I closed it in like a $5 profit because this was not looking like a 1-2-1-2 anymore. It was looking like maybe a one and then an ABC or something. So I just kept watching, and then I saw what I believed was another 1-2, and then a 1-2 here. I had a trade placed around here. My stop loss here. I was stopped out because of this. So when that happened, it began to look more like a diagonal. In my last video, I said something about that. So I now said, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have a 335 here. If I zoom in, you see the 335. So here we have 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have a 5-wave move down. And then we have a splendid 5-wave move up. I mean, clear as day. So yeah, now I initially placed a limit order here, which is below the 50. This 38.2, this 50, this 61.8 and 65. So I have a buy limit order placed here, but then I saw a 100% fib level here, and I saw price moving like violently, so I hopped in on a trade. Now I am beginning to, okay, so let me just look more into that. Yeah, so I saw 3 and then another, so this is a 1, 2, 3, and ABC, maybe this also on a 1, 2, 3, and then this is a 5-wave move down. So I took it as, okay, we may not go down to the 50 fib level, but then as we keep moving along, this is now forming a 3-wave move as well. So I'm anticipating right now either a running flat or an expanded flat. So I still have my buy limit order. I still have my buy limit order there. So just in case it's an expanded flat, it will come down to these levels. My order will trigger, and I'll still leave this one open. Stop loss is at my point of evaluation, which is the beginning of the wave. This is going to be 1, 2, and then we'll move up from there. currently expecting the flat, so I'm just waiting to see what will happen. We might come down to here, 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 anywhere within this level. So let's just see what happens. Or we may not even go down, and then we just begin to shoot up from here. So I will move my stop loss from this low here to this low here the moment that I see we break above this high. It's beginning to look more feasible. Before this diagonal played out, when I just saw it as a 1-2, I would have just said maybe we have a 3 here and a 4 here and then just slightly break out. But now we're beginning to stack 1-2s, so that's giving me more hope that truly we will get to that 4,500 level up here. 4,500, between 4.4 and 4.5, I guess. And who knows, maybe we will reach 5k. I'll be happy if we do. I would even be happy if this ends up being an expanded flat. Yeah, we'll be able to get 2 trades in from here. But if it's only this one, then that's also fine. I'll manage what I have. But expanded flat is, yeah, because it's a shallow correction, and if it doesn't, it's too shallow. We might be due for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see what's happening in the lower time frame. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it might be coming any second now. Let me draw an expansion target. Let's see where it's probably going to get to. By now, we should be around 161 or so. Okay, we're still at 100. Alright, so we have up to the 161 to retrace again. So let's just see what happens. Yeah, I'll make another video after this just to show what happens. At the end of the day, what I did is a bit risky because if I stick to my strategy of 3 to 4 and then I'm taking it as a diagonal 1, so then this is 1, 2, and then this is 3, and then 4 is here. So I took a trade on 3, which is risky, but I took that trade with confidence because of this strong 5-wave move. I mean, this is textbook stuff here, very similar to what we had over here. Textbook 5-wave move, strong. I would even say difficult to invalidate, but then I mean anything could happen. By my next video, who knows, maybe I would have been stopped out, but I am yeah, it's the bet I'm willing to take on myself, man. I'll take this gamble and let's see what happens. Well, not gamble, but I'll just take this bet on myself and let's see what happens. So, in summary, expecting a retracement, but also fine with the fact that we may not retrace, but I am expecting retracement because this is too shallow. This is a 38.2 retracement on wave 2, and wave 2 should, or let me not say should, but usually goes below the 50 fib level. 50 fib level. Yeah, so that's why I'm expecting that. Let's even see what happened. What was the retracement on this? Yeah, I will say it hit the 50. I think it hit the 50. So still expecting some downside, but I mean, with all this energy, who knows what that will happen. So yeah, that's it for now.